In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make and receive phone calls in Microsoft Teams. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their communication process and make the most of Microsoft Teams' calling features. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to ensure that Microsoft Teams is open on your device. Once you've got Teams up and running, you'll find a menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This menu is your gateway to various functions within Teams, including the Calls feature, which is what we'll be focusing on today. Now, to initiate a call with an internal Teams user, one of your colleagues in other words, you'll want to click on the Calls option in the menu. This will open up the calling interface, and from here, things start to get interesting. You'll notice a search bar conveniently placed at the top. This is where you can type in the name of the colleague you wish to contact. Type their name and Teams will display matching contacts. Once you see the correct name, you're just a click away. You'll spot a call icon next to their name, which often looks like a phone or video camera depending on the type of call you wish to make. Click on this icon to initiate either a voice or video call, depending upon your preference. And just like that, you're connected. Congratulations, you've just mastered making calls within Microsoft Teams. But let's not stop there. Receiving calls is equally important and straightforward. When a colleague calls you, a notification will pop up on your screen. This notification will give you the option to accept, decline, or sometimes even reply with a message. If you choose to accept, you'll be seamlessly connected, able to communicate just as if you were in the same room. Another handy tip, while on a call, remember you have several options at your disposal, such as mute, hold, and even adding more people to the call if needed. These features can be incredibly useful, especially if you're in a busy or noisy environment or need to bring another colleague into the conversation. There you have it. Making and receiving calls in Microsoft Teams is really that simple once you know where to look. Whether you're working from home, in the office, or on the go, using Microsoft Teams can help you stay connected with colleagues swiftly and efficiently. I hope you found this guide helpful and now feel more comfortable navigating your way around Teams calling features. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and get comfortable with using Teams to its fullest potential. Thanks for watching, and happy calling!